Okay. I mean, business process. People say business. What is the business process you follow? What is the business process? Okay, in every company. See, the base for a layman to understand is cash sale. This is one business process. Rush order, and another one is standard order. Whatever we created, standard order is OR. Okay, that is a standard order. Order delivery invoice. Then that day I was explaining on the third party scenario, or another name is dropship
Drop
scenario.
shipment.
Yeah, dropship scenario. Okay, that is basically you don't produce, you procure from somebody and you deliver to customer. That is dropship, and there is individual PO. What is I mean, I'm just telling. Probably in coming classes I'll show that. What is individual PO? Individual PO is nothing but a company. We, if customer asks a product A, we don't produce. We procure from our vendor, and the only thing is the goods will be supplied to us. Okay, we procure from them, we keep it in our warehouse, and we deliver. Okay, it's kind of make to stock scenario. Say for example, uh, in my shop, for example, if I'm selling a rice bag, okay, rice bag, I don't produce, correct? I procure from somebody and I keep it in my stock. So to procure from somebody, that is an individual PO, right? I keep it in my stock and then I deliver. Or if customer asks, I procure that time, if it is a make toast, I mean, valuable items, I procure and I deliver. That is individual PO. Okay. And there is a stock transfer order. Stock transfer order is nothing but within the company, between two plants. Between the company, within two plants, stock transport, moving between the plants. And some other things, consignment is there, and return scenario. Return is like, probably everybody knows this. In Amazon, if whatever you buy, you keep it for return, right? If you don't like. Return is giving, I mean, company is taking the product back based on the customer request, right? And one more is credit and debit scenario. I told, if the invoice, the quantity, the amount is charged more, then we'll give a credit. We'll give the some money back to customer. If we say, if we charge less amount than the actual value, then we take more amount using the debit memo. Now, this cash sale and rush order, I don't think so many people use in the regular basis. But everybody asks in the interview question, especially for the beginners who enter. Okay. But honestly speaking, SAP who are implementing, they don't do cash sales. Correct? I mean, this scenario is very common. If you go to any grocery store, best example, grocery store, what will happen? You go and you ask for one tea powder, three roses, for example, okay? What you'll do? Immediately, you'll give a money, correct?
Yeah, bro.
Following?
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, in normal day-to-day life, you do that. You'll not ask, where is the delivery? Did you deliver to my house or did you hand it over to me? Do you ask that? No. Immediately you make payment. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, bro.
That is cash sale. Okay. I'll give an example. I'll show in SAP also. Very, very nice to understand this is. And I'll tell you the difference. Just focus. See, in Google, give the difference between cash sale and rush order. You'll get so much. Okay, you read that. I don't want to tell that theory. Okay, you note down and check in the system, but I'll tell the important things. The document type for cash sale is BV. Okay, what is its document? That is an order. C means order. A is inquiry, B is quotation, C is order. J is, anybody can you tell what is J?
Delivery.
Delivery. What is M? Invoice. Okay. Why I'm telling is just to familiarize with the values. I'm just repeating, that's it. Since I'm in this T code, sales order type T code is VOV8, or else you can see from SPRO SD sales document header inside that sales document, sales order type. Okay, here you know that yesterday I told sales, if you want to block that sales order, or if you want to only to create using automatic, I mean no manual entry, automatic something, right? So you guys has to I mean go through each field daily in VOV8 and VOV7. Okay, this is very important, then you will get a confidence. No block, only automatic creation allowed, sales document is blocked. Why I'm repeating, just make it familiar. Number assignments, you know, reference mandatory. If you want to have any reference, you give that. Okay, with reference to inquiry you want to create, always with reference to quotation you want to create, no reference required. These fields, you know, you check all those things. Now I'll directly jump here. What is that you notice here? You always compare with OR. Here the delivery type is BV. There the delivery type is LF for OR. Okay. Yeah, for you, you may think both are same. I mean, some names. And if you see, delivery billing type is blank. Means always you have to create order related billing. Okay, there is no delivery related billing. You will not create invoice against to delivery. You always create invoice against to the order. That is one thing. Okay, there is no delivery related billing. This is a order related billing. Keep remembering the words which I'm telling. Order related billing. If you are creating with respect to order, that is order related billing here. If you are creating invoice with reference to delivery, that is delivery related billing. Where do you see this control? Okay, you may mark it whatever you want. In the item category, if that line item category is related for delivery related billing, that I'll show that. Okay, that is one thing. There is no, this is order related billing. Just focus here. Immediate delivery. I never showed you what is immediate delivery. In OR, it will be blank. That is create delivery separately in OR. Okay, I'm talking about OR, just comparing. I used to create VL01N, correct? To create a delivery. Or in the menu, I was selecting create delivery, correct? Here, the option is X. X stands for create the immediate delivery if the quantity confirmed for today. Okay, if the quantity confirmed for today. Now, what is this create? I mean, this is important. And also, I'll just tell two more feeds because just to make it understanding. Okay, if you don't want to create delivery in the sales order immediately, you can put a block. Not immediately, in other sales order also you can put block. Especially it will be there in the credit memo and debit memo. Okay, that you can see. Now I'll just create one order. Okay, just to show what is what.
Okay, can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
You said when you were learning, you only had SAP books. And at that time, did you have system access, or is it just like you will study in the book and it ends there? Because laptops weren't very luxurious those times, right?
No, of course,
Years
the
back.
laptop was not there. It was desktop era.
But
Okay.
you had your own desktop at that time.
In the office they had given. But the problem, right? See, we had 30 days, just like learn book and learn 30 days book is there, right? Like that. Okay. Learn and no mentor was there. Okay. First of all, they gave the book. You have to, I mean, we were from a college, okay, campus selection. We were from a college pass out. We were still in the thinking of we have to read the book and answer. And they were
Okay.
asking the questions also like that. In the book, one last para in that one line, say yes or no. How would I know that? No, so we were focus on the answering the theory part. Okay, important. But we couldn't practice, and nobody mentor was there to guide what is the buttons. I showed here how to go to system status and check the time. If I don't show you, how do you know? You don't get to know. If wait, I'll make it down. If I don't show this quick cut paste, in the first day I showed quick cut paste. Just if you select, it will copy. You will not get to know. And I'll show other things. So many things are there, like user profile. Yesterday I was going through user data or SU01D. These things nobody will teach. In book, nobody will give you the details of that. Go here to check the time, system time. Real time is different and this is different. We were just studying. If in Vivo V8, if you read 10 times also, like you may be reading all the controls, which you will not focus. I'm just telling the important ones. Here I told, number range I told, division reference mandatory, item division I told, enter PO if you want the PO to be validated, check customer reference, whether it is a duplicate or something, right? See, check whether the purchase order already exists. If you want to check, okay, if you want to give enter PO, give that. And I didn't focus on this as you screen sequence number, transaction group. I didn't, but I focused here on document. So important things I'm covering, which is really required in day-to-day life. Okay, that you focus. Otherwise, you
Okay.
start reading this, and you'll be confused to read all those things. So I'm talking about important things which is really required in day-to-day life, real time. I'm talking about real time. Now I'm just talking about cash sales. Honestly, nobody uses cash sale. Just any SAP interview, if you go for the first question they'll ask, what is the difference between cash sale and rush order? I don't know. People will ask for the entry level, like you guys. Okay. For me, honestly, they don't ask that question because I'm little experienced. They ask different question. Even if they ask, I say I have not worked on it. They'll
Since
open
we
it.
have since we have freshers, would they actually hire us directly as a consultant, Gobi, or would we go in as a end user only in the first?
Oh, no, 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 no. You should go as a consultant.
Okay.
Okay, you should. There is a difference between end user and consultant again. Sudha has worked as an end user.
End user, yeah.
Okay, end user is job is just punching the order. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that end user job. Then see, they'll have a document or a what you call cookbook or workbook, some document. Okay, or some training would be there. They'll say go to VA01, enter BV AZ01 ZA ZA here. Okay, hit enter. Then they'll ask you to enter sold to party, customer reference, cash sales one. They'll ask, I mean, the training will be given like this. You check with Sudha. But
Okay, I get it. Just
if,
to create order.
okay, that is called order punching, order entry or order punching. Nobody will tell you from where this payment terms is determined. Of course, they would not be knowing. Based on the experience, when they see, they'll get to know, okay, it is from customer master. But they'll not be knowing the controls of why I'm not able to create, hmm, why the block is there. They can't get to know. They'll
I
not be
get
knowing
it.
the conflict. How item category is determined, they'll not get to know. Because they'll not teach how item category is determined. Now, okay. You guys are following, right? I just enter
Yeah.
BV. These are normal steps. That's why I was talking the other part. What is my item category? BVN. So the T code I'm going is VOV7. Okay, I'll give you the shortcuts how to remember this important T codes. Honestly, I'm not good in T codes, but some important things I'll remember. Why I'm going to item category? To show how whether I have to create order related billing or delivery related billing. I don't know, right? That day I was mentioning what is billing relevance. B, relevant for order related billing. If it was A, delivery related billing. Blindly don't remember. Just Okay, item in the item category, there will be a control whether that line item should be created as a order related or a delivery related. Here it is there, BVN. BVN uses, some guys will ask, what is the item category? Okay, at least you note down cash order, rush order, standard order, and dropship. These four, at least TAN, this BVN, you remember. Okay. If I was in a position, I'll not ask the item category. I'll ask where is the control. That is the real-time interview people will should expect. Not asking the item category, tell the names. No. Where is the control? If that guy mentioned in the item category in the billing relevance, there is a setting, enough. I'll get it selected. Okay, you need to tell this control. So far in the standard order for the TAN, it was A. That's why we were able to create invoice against to the delivery. If you go to VF01, when you try to create invoice, you enter the delivery number. If you try to enter the order number, it says some error. Try that, okay? Do the mistake. Try to do, for delivery, you try to do the order related billing. What will happen? In the sales order, or you both mentioned the document type, right? Billing document type, delivery related billing and order related billing. But how system will accept based on the item categories control here, okay? That is here. And if you see, there is no credit. For cash sales, they don't give credit. Credit is nothing but what? Loan, right? In generally in regular basis, they'll give credit. You understand that credit, right? For
Yeah, good, yeah.
in Kannada, they call sala or loan, where generally, especially grocery store, what they'll do, this Ashirwad or somebody, some guys, right? They'll come and keep fill the stock, but they'll take the money next week. They'll not collect immediately. They give 1 week credit, 2 week credit. That is based on their agreement. Okay, there is no credit. Cash sales is take right. I mean, take the cash immediately. So that's why no credit. This one you have to tell. Item, it is order related billing and no credit. Today you have to read credit, I mean, rush order and cash sales. Okay, important thing I told this. Now, what will happen? Just you focus what I'm going to see. Whenever you create order, you have to come and check the incompletion log. There is no. As soon as I save order, what will happen? A delivery gets created. But in the standard order, when I say standard order, that is OR. It was not getting created. Okay, now you just observe at the bottom. Okay, I'm just saving the sales order, cash sales BV. Okay, just it is taking time. Observe. In this class, just focus and search in Google, check each fields. What do you see? What did you see?
Delivery is created.
Cash sales 68 along with that
Same, same.
bracket delivery created. In standard order, it was not creating because in the sales order control document type, immediate delivery, I mean the what is that? Immediate delivery was not enabled. It was blank. If it was X, it is immediate delivery. If the quantity is confirmed again, if the quantity is confirmed, if stock is there, then only you can create delivery. Otherwise, some another order it will create. Okay, you just see. Now, how do you see? What is my 68? I'll go VA03. Just in grocery store, this is the best example. You do cash transaction. You take as soon as the order is created, delivery is created. You don't have to worry. In the back end only it is created. Okay, that fellow will not do anything. Correct? Now what I'll do? I'm trying to create delivery. 850 Just okay. Just for your reference, I'll try to do 850 8. Oh, sorry, 50. No billing document. See the log. Okay, it is just I'm trying to do. Okay, just to show what error. Delivery type BV cannot be invoiced with the billing type F2. First of all, getting now some error it will throw. I mean, I want to show this is a order related billing. If you try to do delivery related, it throws errors. Here you have to just give the document number, whether it can be order related or delivery related. Now I'll give the 68, which is a order related billing. Oh, what is this? Ah, okay. Delivery created, goods issue was not done. Means it is immediate delivery, right? In the cash transaction, you'll give the product immediately. So here goods issue was not done. That's why. Delivery is created immediately, and you have to just click on the goods issue, means you hand it over and you create an invoice.
Gopi, I have a question here. Delivery
Hmm.
related billing can be done only in cash sale, right?
No, order related billing. Delivery related billing you do in the standard order, right?
Sorry, can you please explain again? I have a bit
Oh,
confusion
okay.
between order
Okay.
related and delivery related.
Sure. Wait. You just see this. This is I gave order number 68 and I'm trying the same. This is warning. Okay. Bottom it is showing as a warning. Warning you can just go. You can do. Tomorrow you guys needs to explain to Shaheen or one more person was there, right? You guys explain Cashel and Rashada like how teacher explain so that you'll get a confidence. Means you have to prepare today and explain to her whenever you get time. If you see cash sale, delivery, and if you see this is created with reference to uh, order. If it is with reference to delivery, it will be under this delivery number. Okay. Now, what you asked is what is the difference, right?
Yeah, because I thought as soon as we save the order, delivery number will be created, na? So I thought this is delivery related billing.
Mhm.
I understood like that.
Okay. The normal flow, order, delivery, invoice. When we have to do delivery related billing, if the line item category is relevant for A, that is delivery related billing. If it is B in the item category, it will be order related billing. Means delivery is created. You do PGI. We don't worry about that. We'll worry only on the invoice. Why? Because see, simple. Generally, why do we do delivery related billing? Sales order is created for 10 quantity. Okay. I'll quickly show that. Okay. That is very important. Okay. This is normal standard order I'm going to show. Okay. Just because to make it clear. So I'll not explain each thing now because I'm going to create quickly. Just observe what I'm doing. I'm just giving the order quantity 3. 69. Why we have to do delivery related billing? Right. Sure. See, he asked for, I mean, customer asked for 3 quantity. I'll say I'm delivering only one because I don't have stock. And picked also one because it will ask for that. I can do goods issue directly like this. I mean, there is no packing and all, so directly I'll do. See, I mean, both the steps I combined together I did, okay? Don't do this. You just do the flow. I mean, in the interest of time, I'm doing, okay? You don't worry for this. $69, right? My order number?
That's good. The second one 16.
Huh?
Yeah, it's 16.
Yeah, just I want to show the other way. If I try to create order related billing, what it shows. But just I want to show the error log. Item category tan, you will see this, okay? Very frequently in your real time, you will see this. Item category tan cannot be invoiced with billing type. So you should think, okay, they are doing item. You have to go inside. Oh, okay, this is the other way. What did I give? Okay, now it is taking time. So I'll give. I'm doing our delivery related billing. How do I say? If I enter delivery number here for this invoice, you can see. Okay, these are all wording. Okay, HSN code is not maintained. Generally, will maintain in the material master sales or export tab. I try to maintain, it was not allowing for India. So okay, this is invoice is created. Display billing document. If you see, when do we do delivery related billing? Why we have to do? I mean, just I want to show. In real time, I asked for 3 quantity, he delivered 1. So if I create invoice for 3 quantity, then he'll shout on me, right? Why are you giving 3 quantity bill? You delivered only 1, correct?
Yes.
So that's why, I mean, it's a business process. If you, whatever you deliver, for that only you have to create an invoice. That's why they do delivery related, if it's hardware. And also this is the partial delivery, just I wanted to show that. Now, I can create one more delivery, right? VL01N, like this. What is my shipping point? Z802, give the order number, enter. You can do this way also. And if you want to recreate delivery returns, it says LR you have to type. By default, it takes LF, you have to create LR here, you have to type manually LR for return. I'll show one day. Now I'll create delivery. This is, I wanted to show, I mean, out of topic, since I got an opportunity, I wanted to show this. This is a partial delivery. Partial delivery means splitting the delivery into 2, correct? Instead of delivering 3, assume today 1 delivery, tomorrow I might have delivered 2 quantity, correct? Following? This is out of
Yes.
topic, I'm talking just to show partial delivery because I got an opportunity to show that. I'm just saving the order, saving the invoice, sorry. Invoice billing both are same. Now, if you just see document flow, you try to analyze the document flow. Whenever you, I mean, based by looking at that, you should get to know whether it's a order related or delivery related. Now, okay, see here, order below that, below means against order outbound delivery is created. Inside the outbound delivery, picking request, that is, I enter that number quantity one, right? Picking request, that when I do the goods issue, this one is generated document. Next is invoice under outbound delivery, means invoice is created with reference to outbound delivery. In the other one, in the 68, I'll just show here. So you should understand how to view the SAP document flow.
Yes.
Okay, just to what happened, my screen is 68. See, I mean, here the names they have given everything cash sale. Okay, it's a description. Don't worry on that. Order below that delivery, below that goods issue is there, but this invoice is not under this delivery. It is under cash sale. You are getting right? Delivery and say invoice are in the same line hierarchy. Following or not?
Let's go.
Just in case whoever sees this, right? I'll put order related billing. Simple, I'll put order. We call outbound delivery. OBD is outbound delivery. Another one comes inbound delivery. Means in the return scenario, it will be inbound delivery. You are taking the goods inside. That is inbound. This is we are sending outside. Okay. Inside the outbound, picking PGI. After that, I mean, picking can be there or not. Leave that. So I'll create invoice here. This is order related. This is okay. I'll put here next to that. This invoice will be in the delivery related billing under the outbound delivery, means the tree. You are getting right? It is not under the order, it is under the invoice. Okay. I mean, this is cash sale. Cash sale is immediately delivery will be created and there is no credit and you have to do the order related billing. That is cash sale. What is rush order? Just see the difference. I mean, just I want to show again. Cash order, this BV or delivery type is there, but there is no order delivery related billing type. Now SO is the say rush order. It is also C, means order category, like simple. Assume animals. If it is animals group, what is its category? Cheetah, cat, everything belongs to one family, right? We call cat family. We group. This is order family. C is a order family. Whatever you name. Okay, document block is not there. So if you see here, it is a delivery related billing. It can have delivery related or order related billing. Both is possible. Only thing, how do you both is possible? If my line item says do order related billing, if I'm doing service, there is no hardware, then it will allow delivery related billing and immediate delivery is there. So the only difference is here. Okay, just I'll create. I didn't try, okay, but still I'll see what error I'll get if I'm getting. I never tried here. In the rush order, what I know, I mean, I have to read that, but what I know is it is urgent. Rush is, right? A rush, we are in a hurry. So I'll take the delivery, I'll make a payment later. In cash order, immediately invoice will be created. And also, I just want to tell, there is one printout. Wait, I just want to, invoice will be printed immediately. Wait, I'll just see some order type is bill output type is there. Okay. So this is NACE. Probably soon some, oh, this one recording was not there. This one I'll explain sometime. In the sales order, sales level, there is a order confirmation. There is a standard output. Okay. Invoice something. Cash sale. As soon as the order is created, it prints the invoice. RD03. Let me see whether it was printed. Okay, this output generates. Okay, this is a invoice copy, paper output. That is, you focus on this. Okay, you run, I'll put this, you research on this output type. Okay, I'll put it in the chat. Just Google in the cash sale RD03 output. There will be so many. Okay, you read. Now I am going to create rush order. Rush order. That only I'll create. Rush order. Now I'll give quantity one. What is this? You should have a habit to check the incompletion log. As soon as the rush order is saved, what will happen? Immediate delivery will be created. Because it was set as X. The immediate delivery is created. Okay. I was telling, I mean, just cash sale, RD03 output will be printed immediately as soon as the order is saved. So it's nothing but an invoice is generated, invoice copy, printout for the reference. Later, if you want, you can do that invoice. Okay. That is important. Now for rush order, delivery is created. Now I'll go inside the delivery. If you see here, /10 is there because your cursor was on the item level. So it is displaying the item level data. If you want to display the header level data, view header. So it will show the header details. Just I showed this. I mean, when you see my recording, you will get to know. Just click on status overview. What is pending? Picking is pending. Goods movement is pending. Rush. They are in a rush. So what they'll do? They'll come. I mean, they'll take the goods and move. Invoice will be created later. Oh, what happened? It's a normal order type only. See, it is taking tan. Tan is nothing but you have to pick manually. Item category says it's a order related, delivery related billing. Tan. goods movement. Here RD03 output will not be triggered. Now, this is okay. Standard order and rush order, what is the difference if somebody asks? It is the same. Only thing here delivery will be created immediately. In the standard order, you need to create. Right? Okay, just I want to show that. Okay, now outputs, I mean, still 10 minutes is there. I want to show on the output also. Condition record, when that day I told VV11, VV22, I mean, VV11, VV21, VV31. VV11 is for sales order, VV21 is for delivery, VV31 is for invoice. Output maintaining, condition record. So I'll just go. I mean, see whether RD, okay, first I'll check whether condition record is maintained or not. So 1113 is a, so RD03 output. If you hit enter, it will show, okay. What is my cache cell is BB. It is not maintained. That's why it was not printing. This is the master data. We need to maintain. So to what is okay, which party you need to give? I'll show that as well. Double click here. Access sequence is there. Shift to party partner function. Shift to party. So you give SH. If you give 4 options, immediately on the day I explain this. If you give one, print via Java. Now, simply I'll create one. Let's see. Without creating the invoice will be generated. That's what, right? If you go to, they'll create invoice later for their accounting purpose. Invoice, but for you, they have to give one printout, right? Immediately they'll give printout without checking anything. So at the sales order level only, invoice will be printed. This is important. Maybe in the interview for you, you can say RD303 output will be triggered immediately as soon as the order is saved. So provided condition record is maintained in VV11. I'll show the, I mean, now in next 5 minutes, I'll show important tables and all. Generally, this outputs will be triggered only when the document is complete. It might dump because whether they have a right program or not. If not, then I'll put it to 1. Print later, at least it is triggering. Output will be printed. So delivery is created. Where do you see the output? Go to sales order. Extras, output, header. It is not determined. You can analyze this. Determine analysis. Click on the determine analysis. It says output found. Oh, okay. Output found. The print parameter was not maintained. No printer was not defined. So I'll do one thing. I'll edit the condition record. So print parameter. If you want to give a printout, I'll show you. VV12. I'm just editing the condition record. RD03 VV. Here, select this communication where you have to give the printer LP01 or LOCL local. Local is LOCL. We give LOCL, but here LP01 you have to give. Now I'll just quickly create. See, if we do mistake only, you learn where is the mistake, you go back so that you can remember. See, if I prepare everything and if I just show, you will not know how I'm fixing. By looking at that error, I'm going to condition record and maintaining the value. So then can I extend only for 5 more minutes just to give the important tables?
Yeah.
5-10 minutes, fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because I want to cover that today. I don't want to drag the classes till 1 more month. I want to make it fast in the sense I want to give and repeatedly I'll keep telling those names, the tables, so that you will be familiar. I don't want to tell at the end of the class. See, RD03. It is error due to other things. Leave that. Okay. But RD03, this will be printed. Okay. This is the invoice copy. Now, the assignment is go. I mean, you prepare how to answer for cash sales and rush order. Okay. In rush order, credit is there. Credit active is there in the item category because it was using the item category TAN. So TAN uses normal. So why I'm telling, that day somebody asked, right, why we should not modify the standard config? Because of this. See, nobody uses cash order, rush order, all those things. But we refer what SAP provided. By mistake, if you change the config, then you will not get to know to refer any system. See, earlier, here, at least here, you have this system and some other system somebody is using. In real time, for each company, the SAP will give this one instance. If you change, then you can't refer what is my standard rush order or a cash sales configuration provided by SAP. Then you have to Google and nobody will be there to help you. So that's the reason you should never ever change the standard config. Now I'll just focus on important tables and T codes. Okay, here first I'll tell you SD01. I'll just show that also because this is new to you. SAP access menu. We call this as SAP access menu /n. I mean, yes, triple O is this one. Okay, this is SAP easy access menu. I'll just show. SD. No, now you just see what all things are there. SAP menu, logistics, accounting, all these things. I'll give SD01. This is basically this is important for SAP guys, SD guys. See, SAP easy access for sales and distribution. Okay, it means so many T codes are there. And there is now there are so many folders SAP has given. I'll just go to sales. In sales, you see, They have given in the order, inquiry, quotation, order. Agreement and contract terms. I don't want to go in detail. Billing documents, shipping, what are T codes, okay? And just click on order because you are familiar with the order, right? VA01, they don't give all the names, okay? See, incomplete, SDO1, I told. How do you see the list of sales order? No need to go to table VA05. Okay, important things you can see. What is the expiry contracts, expired? I mean, these are all not required, we don't use, okay? But you should be familiar. And also, important thing, in some places, you don't see the T code. Always we in SAP, we learn with the T code. If you read the description, you will not understand. So there is an option here in any of this thing, especially menu, extras, technical settings. Oh, sorry, extra settings. Okay, you have to go to settings. This you have to tick display technical name. If you click display technical name, it will show the T codes. Assume I'm taking out. What will happen? Just, I mean, I'll open any other thing, okay? Here it will not show the T code. Sorry. See, does it show any T code? No. If you activate this extras, setting, technical names, this is important. And just like in our mobile phone, favorite dial, I mean, dial numbers we keep, right? Or in the Google Chrome and all, we add favorites, right? Web link. Okay. SAP has given an option here. You can create a folder. Any folder. See, what happened? Oh, it is created. You can create SAP SD plus T codes. Just any name. Under that, you can, I mean, without folder also, you can add insert transaction. I just want to group what I taught, SDO1. So if you expand, I mean, this is for you. All right, what is that? Insert transaction, SDO1. Oh, sorry, SD01, okay. Or VA01, any T code, I mean. See, it will be. So that whenever you log in with your ID, it will have that folder. So that next time you don't have to remember the T codes. You can directly go here. I mean, so this also I told, easy access, how to use this. Okay. In any class, they don't teach this. Shortcuts to store. Okay, now T codes. This is a T code. T codes. SDO1 or 01? 01. I don't recall, boss. SD01 or O1? See, in SAP, always we get confused with 0 and O. For everything we call O. SD01. So important T codes, SD01, VOV8, VOV7, VOV6, and VOV5, VOV4. This is SAP. This I'm writing for other people. Okay. VOV8 sales document type, item category, schedule line category. Okay. This is important. Sales header, item level, schedule line category. This is schedule line determination. determination. Item category determination. See, the only mistake one guy he has done is, I'll tell you the mistake. See, if I was a developer who created SAP, I would have done the reverse way. First Vivo V4, I mean, at least it is in the descending order. Okay, fine. I mean, to remember, Vivo V8 document type under that item category. It is in the reverse order, okay? Vivo V7 schedule and category. He should have given Vivo V4 item category determination, but he made Vivo V5 schedule and category, Vivo V4 item category. Okay, so this one just it is getting interchanged. Just focus and remember this, very important. Says the T codes and other T codes. I mean, SPRO is for configuration. I mean, this I don't want to mention. VOA0, this is pricing. NACE output. VK 11, 12. In SAP, we write like this, okay? It means 11 is for create, 12 is for change, 13 is for display. This is for pricing condition maintain, pricing condition. VV 11, 12, 13. This is sales doc. Some name you open and check. Output type. Wait, I don't want to give the wrong one. I wanted to convey it is a sales related output type maintenance. Create condition. Sorry. Create output condition record. VV13, why it is going there? Sales. Create output condition record sales. Okay, I'll put it that way. Create, you can add that, okay? Condition records for delivery. This is important. VV31, 32, 33. Condition records for invoice. Okay. Now, you know this. Now, important T code. So you know this. VA11, 12, 13. What is this? Inquiry. VA. See, I'm just blindly going, okay? Quotation. VA 01, 02, 03. Sales order. VA 41, 42, 43. Contract. Now, VL01N 0203, okay? Outbound delivery. VL 31N, 32N, 33N. Inbound delivery. Okay, few more minutes. Sutan. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, this is the one. Now, VF11 is for cancellation of invoice. Just to cancel. In the menu also you can cancel, but there is an option. Then VL0 reverse the PGI VL09. This is interview question. If the invoice, see, invoice you can cancel, delivery you can't cancel. Can we reverse the PGI? Yes, we can reverse the PGI via VL09, VL09N. VLPOD, proof of delivery. You keep seeing this, okay? What are these T codes? VF31. I don't know the description for that. Output, invoice output to print via transaction, they call that. Okay, but I don't know that. I mean, in my output from billing. Okay. Like that VL, what is that output from? VL 80 or something. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll just go VL star 80, something I remember. VL shift 80. See, maximum results only 100 is showing. I'm just taking 900. The VL 81, I guess, or 61, something is there. VL 60, I guess. Just let me see. Something we do, I don't. Hmm. So you should familiar now. Be back, sales, later, sales item, sales schedule, sales partner, sales document form. So you should familiar. There is no other way. Okay. VB. I mean, if you are familiar with, I mean, you should know this. Okay. KNA1, customer master, general data. Okay. KNVB, customer master, sales data. KNB1, custom. I mean, this is very important. Okay. Be familiar. If you know customer, you should know LFA1 vendor. I mean, you don't require vendor master general data. LFM1 vendor master purchase. See, when it comes sales for purchase, it is, I mean, vendor, it is purchase data. LFB1 vendor master company code data. So you should get to know. I mean, just I want to check once. This I will tell you the T code. I don't recall something. I want to check. I generally don't use vendor, right? So I'm just confirming before. LFA1 I know. LFB1 is company code. Yes. L of M1, right? L of M1 is purchasing. Correct. My memory is good. This you should be familiar. MARA, that is material basic data. And so you should know how to check the tables. That's why MARA, MARC, material plan data, MARDI, material storage location data. Okay. MBKE, material sales data. Yeah. Company code is M. I don't know, sir. I don't know, mate. What? Yeah. Shit. See, I don't know what I'm going to do. Simple. This is how to catch the fish. I don't know the table. MB something. Accounting, right? So I'll go to accounting is finance. So I'll go here. Whatever I select, if you keep pressing enter, it will go to that tabs. Okay, now. Okay. Just click on F1 on any of the field which you think that is related to. What is the table it shows here? MBEW. MBEW, material, finance data, accounting. So whatever I showed, right? MBEW. See, it is material valuation, finance related. Okay. What is MAR-B? I don't know. MARA is there. MAR-C is there. Okay. I mean, we keep MARA, MAR-C. We say MAR-C, material plant level data. MARD storage location data, MVKE. We use sales data. Okay. Along with this, you should know the important tables. T001 company code, T001W plant data. I mean plant data. I mean plant. T005 country countries. USR01 user data. USR02 user data something. Okay, I don't know the too much of difference there. Okay, T code. SU01D user data display. SU01 user profile. Okay. Okay, just at least you go through these plans tables. And okay, in another one, I know this is config sales are table. I'll use that word config. Okay, TVKO TWAP config. This is document type, sales document type. TWAP config item category table. That is item category table VOV7 that you can see here. And T184, I'll say config item category determination. you see this, okay? Then TVP on the schedule line category. TVPZ on the schedule line determination. I have a doubt, so I'll just check. TVP. Okay, scheduling. TVPZ. Okay, memory is good. This is done. Now, what are the important? I mean, the mainly instead of going to that, you can go to tables. Okay, TVKO, TVKOZ is there. TVKOZ. That is sales to company code assignment. TVKZ on the assignment of sales of to all of sales document type. TVST is shipping point. So you buyered this, okay? TVST is that on the shipping point determination. I gave this okay. LIKP delivery header. LIPS. LIKP, LIPS. We call lips. Okay. Delivery item. Then invoice. VBRK invoice header. VBRP invoice item. Okay. Now there is NAS. NAS. And what is that? It shows the output, but I don't know the description for that. Message, output message status. Output message status. TNAPR. Output NAS. It is NAS table. NAS T code data. I mean, just I want to make you. Okay, what other 15? PKQ. Purchase order header. PKPO. This is functional should know. Purchase order item. EKES. Purchase order confirmation. Purchase order wait. Improvement self-initial. EKES. Supplier confirmation. E EKBES. This is important. EKB is triple dot. Okay. Okay, I mean, like these tables. Okay, just be, I mean, wait, I'll just confirm TVST and TVSTZ. Okay, shipping by STZ. Okay, familiar with this, important. Okay, sorry, I took 25 minutes, but I didn't explain anything, but it's. Sir, you guys there are sleeping?
No, Gopi.
You're there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll share this. You guys has to go through this, okay? And buy it, whatever you call. But be familiar with the T codes. Okay? Be familiar with the T codes. So now two things you have to do. One is before you have to give your feedback on that link, okay? That is request from Aman and everybody. Okay? So
Okay.
then I mean only for something you mentioned, kindly provide your honest feedback, okay? Whenever you are mentioning mentor, so and so, just put the mentor word. Mentor, I mean, don't put the names. Mentor or trainer, any names you put. I mean, don't put the name because in this institution, mentor or trainer, you can put that instead of taking the names. Okay, just call out mentor or a trainer, SD trainer or SD mentor. Okay, I'll just put that as well in case if you get confused because where is that? Yes, SD mentor or
Maybe can you share this T code, this Excel file to us?
sorry.
Can you share this Excel file with all those T codes? That will
Yeah,
help.
right away I'm sharing file. Your computer. First check, I mean confirm whether you receive it or not. Okay. It is inside the daily notes. Okay. Check whether you received or not.
Received, Gopi.
Stop. Yes, stop.
Yeah, I'll see. I mean, why I'm noting down here in the class itself what I'll write it. Tomorrow, in case if somebody asks what you covered under, you should be. It's just a proof for me as well. I covered these things. Just 1 second, last 2 minutes, I'll finish. But kindly provide the feedback, okay, before you log off today. Where is SAP desktop? Not open. So just how much hours spent? Cash and trust order. Uh, partial delivery versus complete delivery because I showed that as well. And important database tables and reports in SD. Okay. You are right. So total I spent 15 hours. Okay. Just I want to. Okay. Kindly, I mean, with this, I'm fine. Any questions? You want to ask any questions? You can tell, or you want anything to tell also fine. Last 1 minute.
No, Gopi.
Okay. How about Sutan? Okay, silence means I said, I treat it as no. Okay, with this, I'll stop the class for today. Kindly record, go through cash sale and rush order difference, item category, just go through the system, compare whatever it is saying in Google, and please prepare for that, like immediate delivery. What is that? Okay. Tomorrow you
Okay.
explain to Shaheen and other folks
Okay.
whenever you meet them. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Provide the feedback, please.
Sure.
Thank you.